Mr. Sassy Plants here teaching you how to make the world's best plant-based dessert of all time ever. Go ahead and get yourself a bowl. You're going to get yourself a can of jackfruit and syrup and a can of grass jelly, the Lello. Go ahead and open up the jackfruit. Pour at least half of the syrup in. I'd pour more personally, but that's just me. Go ahead and drain the grass jelly. From here, you're going to want to cut it all up. That was quick. Go ahead and dump it back in the syrup. And then if you want, you can cut it with some water. Now you should probably let it chill for like 30 minutes or half an hour, but you can just put in ice cubes. Don't forget to make this meaningless gesture with the plastic spoon. From here, if you want to take it to level 9 mil, you can add some coconut milk. Any sort of non-dairy milk, I suppose. Go ahead and give that a taste, and boy, are you in heaven, fatty. And that's it.